everybody. Mr. Grinch is a little bit mad today. He's a little bit mad, so we'll just move him off to the side. Other than the Grinch being mad, we have Magic Bowl DX, KENMORE Magic Bowl DX. This is actually one of my favorite vacuums, and it does a good job picking up. And it uses bags. It's a bag vacuum cleaner. So we're going to vacuum up this 8 with it. And it also has a couple different modes. Before we start vacuuming, I'm going to show you what modes we got on this little machine. So we got this will automatically tell that, the head over there, to turn on the brush rollers. You want to have that on while you're vacuuming on carpet. And this turns on. Does it like that. And I'm going to feel how powerful this can get. That literally sucked up my thing. Ready? Okay. I'm good. This thing's powerful. So, if you need a powerful vacuum, this is a good vacuum for you, Magic Bowl DX. I don't know if they still sell them, but if you have one, you're lucky. So, we're going to get to grooming the carpets. You see what happens when I turn on the carpet? So, this is floor mode, carpet mode. So we're going to start sucking this up. We're going to do one pass and we're going to show you how good it's done. We're going to do on max. Ready, set, go. If you didn't see, it did snowplow a little bit. People watching that, the editor, can you please replay that? It's in a little bit of slow-mo, not as slow as I wanted it to be, but you could see it, and I had to like turn it to get that good suction there. Let's see if I can do it again. Your filters, or you do any maintenance or anything on your vacuum, make sure you unplug it. And I'd recommend laying that down because it likes to move around. So let's move the vacuum over here. And you're probably wondering how you rewind your cord. Just get all your cord. And there. And so you're probably wondering, how do you replace your filters and bags and stuff? Just head in here, you're going to push this up, and you're going to push the bag down. So you see this, you're going to push that, let's say it's pushed in, you're going to push that forwards, push this back, and take it out. It can get very messy. You want to clean your motor filter every once in a while. I'd recommend cleaning that. So, that's that. That's basically the only filter that's on this. So the way to take this off is just to push this like that, and pull up. So then it might be a little bit difficult to get apart, but once you get off, you can just slide that back in there. That's in. And you put this down. Make sure that's in. Then you're going to take your bag. And you're going to just slide that down there. Push back. There. And there's a little tiny slip in the bottom that you have to line up, so there. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.